I've unlocked this new power. Unlocked this new superpower. God, man, you really like playing games with me, huh? So whenever I hiccup means I'm telling a lie, huh? Is that how you want to play it? I love Ben. Okay, it came a little late. Alright, but it still came. Came a little late. Like, I like men, they're cool. Would I date one? Probably not. This ain't never gonna open, I can tell you that much. Unless there's a car behind me, which I doubt. There is. Every single time I'm here, I always see two shorties walking around. Bye bye M3, bye bye homie. Nobody waves to me. See, if I don't wave or initiate the wave, nobody waves. And I'm perfectly fine if this never opens because it's nice and warm. Have you ever noticed like some girls just don't deserve to wear heels? I feel like the girl with the blonde, it's just heels are not something for you, you know? Sometimes people just can't pull it off. I can't tell you how many girls I see at work who just can't pull off heels. They wear them and you know, they're entitled to do whatever they wish, but like some people are just not for heels. It's just not their thing. If you get the chance to see her walk, I'll show you guys why. You guys can tell just by looking at her the way she walks, not for heels. Hey, we got a car behind us. And it's not a bad thing, it's just not everybody's made for everything. You know, you just wear something else then. Try something else then. Well, look at her. Just not somebody who should be wearing heels. Oh, she's old. Pick makeup on too. You see like the way she walks, I'm guarantee you she's not comfortable. Guarantee you she's not comfortable. But she wants that booty to be thrown around, so she's gonna do anything for a guy. Sad, right? It's sad. Now we gotta keep reminding ourselves that, hey, riding and saying, you a beast. Homie, what's up? I haven't seen that guy in ages. I don't trust his Merc. I wanna do a U-turn, but I don't trust the Merc. Oh man, look at all this freaking gravel. Yeah, F that. I'll take it one at a time. I should just park here. There's like gravel everywhere. You see that? Scares the living hell out of me, man. So we're just gonna sit here looking pretty. Ooh, Lamborghini uterus. Slightly modded from Florida. There's so much gravel, I feel like I'm gonna slip and die. Private property for what? I bet you could have a lot of fun there if you were a delinquent. A lot of booty sessions over there. That'd be kind of cool. Easiest way to turn this motorcycle. There you go. Every time I've ever dropped the baby R6, it's always been because of gravel. Ooh, M3, right? M4? I think it's an M4. I can't see the badge. The dude has no hands on the steering wheel, has his phone right in the middle, and that's how he's driving. Alright, so the sun is nowhere to be found, alright? The booty cold? Yes. I can make it clap to get warmer, but don't have any room or any time to do the press! So I got a hiccup, and at the end of saying that, I got a hiccup. I think it was cute. I think it was really cute that I got a hiccup. Plus, I think it's really cute when I get hiccups, because I'm like a little baby. I yelled, and I got a hiccup again. It's cute. We got a lot of stuff to do, and I would love to keep riding around, because it is a glorious day. But I can't do that. I'm scared to talk, because I feel like I'm going to get a hiccup. Got it again. I don't think I've ever got hiccups while riding. So this is the first. I hate hiccups. I mean, when I do it, it's really cute, but still, I just don't like them. What up, bald dude? Bald dude. I can't. I feel like I'm gonna hiccup. There, see? I feel like God doesn't want me to talk right now. I understand that, but why is he punishing you guys? You guys are here for me. Why isn't God letting you talk? Me talk. What up, shorty? I thought it was a dude. I thought it was a girl. And then I said shorty, and then once again I doubted myself and I knew that's a boy, but it was a girl, and then I hiccup. Why do I hiccups? Hey, homie! He does this all the time. This stupid truck, wagon, thingy. It drives in that lane, but it doesn't have room to drive that close to those cars, so it drives on the lane. I can't believe there's almost like no supercars out. Come on, damn hiccups. I don't have any water to drink. I could drink my own spit, but I don't think it works like that. Ooh, I ate. Let me eat that booty, dog. I'm just coasting. Oh my God, come on, man. Seriously, dude? Seriously? Get on the damn sidewalk, you freak! Douchebag, man. Get the F off the Prius, really? Finna kill a homie out here, man. I'm scared I'm gonna hiccup whenever I try to say something. I feel like I only hiccup when I try. Okay, let's try this out. We need a big booty girl, and then I'm gonna make some comments about the big. See, every time I want to talk about a girl, God gives me a hiccup. Is that a sign that I shouldn't be talking about women like that? But I love him and I respect him. Yeah, it's like whenever I lie, I get a hiccup. But it's like, no, like, legit, I mean that. Like, I respect women. I really do. Oh my god, why did I say that? Alright, bald douchebag. Oh, see? But see, I meant that. I meant to call that owner of the G-Wagon a bald douchebag. I still don't get valet parking. Why would I let you drive my Lambo? Like, I just don't understand that. Why would I let you sit in my car with your nasty booty cheeks and drive my car? But if I'm popping up in a Lambo, Aventador. See, I didn't get hiccups then. I got it at the end. Alright, calm down, homie. I told you, man, people, Subaru drivers, straight ass. I was gonna say hitting that brake harder than I hit your mom last night from the back. But God not letting me say it, man. Ooh, matte flat back, flat black, flat matte back, flat matte Tesla. There you go. Let's try this again. Ooh, booty! See, I didn't get. I want to eat that. See, I still. See, I guess that. I didn't get a hiccup while saying that. We need to crack this code. It's kind of like a lie detector for me right now. Detector for me now. I love Ben. Okay, it came a little late. Alright, but it still came. Came a little late. Like, I like men, they're cool. Would I date one? Probably not. God, man, you really like playing games with me, huh? So whenever I hiccup means I'm telling a lie, huh? Is that how you want to play it? Let's get more of this stuff down. First time I kissed a girl was in 1st grade. See? No hiccups. Honesty. Hashtag. What else do you guys want to know about me? A lot of you guys ask me this question. Am I truly a mixed breed boy? See? No hiccup! I am a mixed breed boy! You sluts! Ah, that means a lot of you are not sluts. The lie detector. Oh, damn! You saw that? The Corolla cut him off, so the truck in the red went on the shoulder of this area and cut him off. We need to see how big that person's balls look like. Okay, that means he has small balls. Look at it. Blonde, I want to smash your windshields. See, I didn't want to say that, but the hiccup came right then. I love how God catches me, man. This is total honesty right now. I love my subscribers. See that? See that? I do love you guys. I feel like that Corolla doesn't want to pass the truck because of the thing they did. First of all, let's see what this truck guy is. I can't see him. Some old guy? Yeah, it's some old guy. You ain't finna do anything, dog. You ain't finna do anything, you old. Ah, that means he's gonna do something. He probably has a Glock on him. Glock 99, girls! I like the middle blonde. See? Not a lie. I've unlocked this new power. Unlocked this new superpower. Should I go? No. See, God said no, so I'm not gonna go. I asked, and the hiccup came. That means I'm not supposed to go. I've kissed a boy. Hiccup, man, I haven't! God damn. Ooh. Model X be pumping them girls. Man, if I went up there, I could have went against a Model X. Nimbus is ready to throw it down. Down? I guess she's not ready to throw it down. God damn, God is on me today, man. Spitting some truth out here. God damn, oh no I'm not, I'm lying to you guys a lot right now. How quickly Roddy Insane has been exposed. I only came here because of Model X. Okay, I didn't really come here for the Model X. I just want to not stop this ride. I'm going fast! Okay, I'm not going that fast. That was a lie too. I love women! See? The hiccup needs to happen really close to the sentence or in between the sentence. I don't want to go fast because it's cold. Me want to go slow. We're going to turn around and head back. There's a huge traffic jam up there. We're going to go ourselves because I love traffic jams. I do! God damn it. God. I do love traffic jams. Who you is trying to go loud on him? Who you is trying to go loud on him? Who you is trying to go loud on him? Hickety hiccups. Man, I don't want to be in front of the pack. I do. I love being in front of the lane. Nobody in front of me. I love that. Today, you guys get to know who I... Okay. See, you guys really do know who I am. Today is not the day you're finding out who I am, because you guys really do know who I am. I'm trying to tell you guys that I be spitting the truth all these days. See? I wish I could time my hiccups, but I can't even time them. See? But But how cute is it, alright? All you ladies out there, how cute is this right now? Super cute. Ooh, McLaren. I see that neon McLaren a lot. I do! God damn, I do see it a lot. I didn't believe my ride home was gonna be like this. But it is. Watch, I'm gonna tell these guys there's a cop up there, but it's not. Make them slow down and ruin their entire ride. There's no popo up there. Ha ha ha. No, there is. Never mind then, I'll help them. Hiccups are the truth! Ah, look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rush hour traffic. Should I tell the shorty that her left tail light is out? Homie, your left tail light's out, Gurney. You finna mark somebody on them streets. Nope, never mind, she's not. Was she looking at tall douchebag? Okay, he's not a douchebag. He is tall, that's no lying about that. That mean he ain't a douchebag though. Dude, you don't even have a side mirror for the left or the right. What the hell do you do? How do you turn? What is that, an Alfa Romeo? That's not an Alfa Romeo, you lying ass. You bought that emblem off of eBay, didn't you? That means you did, because I didn't hiccup. This is amazing, man. This is amazing. You broke that light off because you're a very good driver. That's why you broke that light off. No, she did it because you suck, that's why. Yeah, you can go now. Green means go. God gave me the power to figure out whether I'm lying or not to you guys, and whether the people out here are lying or not to us. And I don't know what that hiccup meant. What did I lie about? But I'm still gonna continue my way on home. I really am, dog. Damn it. Calm down, dog. You ain't even a... Yeah, you went AMG. But I'm gonna head on home. So remember to subscribe only because you love me. I'll talk a little bit more, maybe. Maybe not. Who's to know? Remember to subscribe only because you love me because I love you. And until next time, this is Riding Insane. Signing off. Have a great day. Thugs out. Guns out. I ate some booty. It is an I-8. Unless he's lying. I think pretty sure it's an I-8, man. You don't gotta call me out on everything, God. I've tried drinking my own spit, but I can only drink so much. Okay, I lied. I didn't drink any spit. I don't want to. That's gross. It's not gross. It's just something I don't want. Okay, I kind of want to. I just didn't do it because I forgot. God apparently wants to call me out on everything. Do you even love me? Okay, he does love me. Never mind. Me feel better. So tired. I'm gonna go home and take a nap. Back. I hope you guys enjoyed the little extra of the video. I'm Riding Insane and I'm out, man. I'm out. I am! Oh my god. Okay, fish all I'm out. F this. Sailor 6, Riding Insane is out. Subscribe only because you love me. If you don't subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.